Hello everyone, and welcome to our update on the 8th of July 2024. So today we saw some cloud building in the south with some rain by evening, but in the north and Midlands it stayed dry and fair with a few showers in the far north. Tonight we'll see this area of rain coming up there from the south, especially into the into Leinster, East Munster, and East Connacht. Now, the UKV has us a bit further east than I think is expected because there is a warning for rainfall for Leinster, Ulster, East Connacht, and East Munster for this area of rain to linger and be heavy. But this rain, I think, is a bit further eastwards. Into tomorrow, anyway, it lingers over Ulster into the evening. Leinster and Connacht are quite cloudy, but Munster goes drier and brighter. Into Wednesday morning, we see that rain again. It lingers in the far north of the country. Further south, it's dry and quite sunny with some scattered showers. Thursday is a day of patchy rain and clouds, and Friday we see a better day with, but actually it's still quite cloudy, a few showers in the north, and by Saturday we're still quite cloudy, but by then it is going a lot drier with some high pressure trying to build in, but we'll see how long it lasts. So here is the temperature forecast. So today we saw highs of around 17 to 19 in sunshine. In the south, in the south, we're cloudier, around 12 to 14. Into tonight, tomorrow morning, a mild night courtesy of the rain, and tomorrow afternoon will be a chilly one in the east and north, highs in the low teens, but the high teens in the west and south thanks to some brighter spells. Into Wednesday morning, we'll see lows of around 9 to 12. And into the morning itself and afternoon, highs of around 13 to 20. North to south, very chilly in Ulster, but quite warm in the far south. Into Thursday morning, we'll see lows of a mild 9 to 12. Quite a cloudy day. And by Thursday evening, a chilly, a dismal day. Highs of like 12 to 16 Celsius, like coolest in Ulster and North Leinster, warmest or mildest in the far south of Munster. Into Friday, Thursday to Friday, it starts off mild, and Friday itself better than Thursday, thank God. Don't think it get much worse. Highs of 15 to 18, and Saturday starts off chilly in parts of Leinster and East Connacht. And Saturday afternoon, finally, highs of 17 to 21. Here is the NAO index observed and forecasted. So we're currently on the slope to a quite strongly positive NAO up here. Before into mid-July and beyond that, it slips into a more negative phase. So that is not good. It's now showing quite a solid trend. We see a brief drier and warmer spell this weekend, but brief. So here's a GFS. Again, we have that low coming up there from the south tonight and tomorrow, bringing heavy rain to the east. Wednesday, Thursday are sort of cloudy days with some showers around, but on Wednesday some summer sunshine possible in the south and west. Now, into the end of the week again, the Azores High ridge is in. It forms a ridge to our north, but by Sunday we see already that low coming in there from the west, bringing a lot of rain and showers, and we keep it unsettled into and beyond mid-July, but it is warmer for a time, and then it just goes properly westerly. Now by July 20th and beyond that, the Azores side is properly ridging, and that is prolonged summer. But again, how seriously we can take that is nah, we can't take that seriously at all. Here's the ECM again. That low brings the soaking to the east overnight into tomorrow. Wednesday is dry and bright in the south and west, but quite cloudy and damp in the far north. And you've got that no man's land in between. And into the end of the week again, the Azores side tries to ridge in. It forms a small high to our north. That is a Scandinavian high. Saturday is actually quite showery on that run, and Sunday goes a lot more unsettled there. Trough over us, and by Monday we have that trough moving in. So quite unsettled here quite quickly, and next week is just westerly. It's not much change. Here's the GEM. Again, that low brings the soaking sight tomorrow into the east. Then the rest of the week is sort of like mostly cloudy but dry. Then into the weekend, that high builds to our north and so on. By next Monday, we have low pressure breaking out from the south. They could be a bit thundery though. With that, and then what happens here? It just stays very slack but cyclonic. Here is the UK Met run. UK Met again has that low coming up there from the south, very wet in the east, but mostly dry but cloudy end of the week. Dry, bright weekends. UK Met is holding on to the high for a while, but that low is ominous. The Icon again brings that low up through tonight, tomorrow. After that, the Azure site tries to ridge in. It forms a high to our northeast. That's a new change. Because the high is to our northeast, it'll still allow these weak troughs of the country, even into the weekends. What happens here into next Monday? We see that low breaking through, but that can be quite a thundery pattern actually. Let's look at the temperature. Temperature forecast for Monday at upper temperatures. Quite warm. Also, this area of rain comes up there. That can be a bit thundery. We'll see how it goes into next Monday and Tuesday. So moving on to the arpege, we see again up comes that low, bring a deluge to the east overnight and to the north tomorrow. Really, in North Ulster through like tomorrow and Wednesday is constantly raining pretty much, and Thursday, Friday is also a little ridge tries to come in. It's all quite cloudy and damp Thursday, Friday, and by Saturday you have that ridge to our northwest. But then I think that low will join with that low to create a big low, big trough, and showers and storms and rain. And thanks for watching. Unfortunately, it came to this again. As I said yesterday, it's like when the models show cold weather for wintertime and they don't verify. It's the same sort of pattern. Everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.